Welcome to Easy Physics by Visualization, your trusted place to learn physics in the simplest and most visual way. Today, I'm excited to introduce my new book, designed especially for students who want clarity, confidence, and exam-perfect understanding. This book explains every concept step by step, includes solved examples, conceptual questions, multiple choice questions, and clear diagrams, all written in a way that makes learning fast and enjoyable. If you love the way physics is taught on this channel, you will definitely find this book even more helpful. Check it out and take your physics learning to the next level. This book, Electrodynamics Before Maxwell, takes you back to the foundations of electricity and magnetism, the ideas scientists understood before Maxwell unified them. We begin with electrostatics, Coulomb's law, the concept of electric field, Gauss's law, and why electric fields are conservative. Then we move to magnetostatics, the Biot-Savart law, Ampère's law, the meaning of curl B, and the beautiful idea that magnetic field lines always form closed loops. These concepts create the groundwork for understanding Faraday's law and the deeper connection between electric and magnetic fields. A major focus of this book is the famous failure of Ampère's law when applied to a charging capacitor. Here, the law gives contradictory answers depending on which surface we choose. One shows a current and predicts a magnetic field, while the other shows no current and predicts no magnetic field. This paradox exposes a serious flaw in the original form of Ampère's law and tells us that something is missing. The book explains this step by step in the simplest way, using diagrams and clear reasoning so that you truly understand where the problem arises. And this is where Maxwell made history. He realized that even though no conduction current flows through the capacitor gap, the electric field there is changing with time. He introduced the revolutionary idea of displacement. This book presents all these ideas in a clear, student-friendly manner. Each concept is broken into simple steps, explained in plain language, and supported with diagrams. Question-answer discussions help you develop deeper insight, while MCQs test your understanding and prepare you for exams. Whether you are studying for BSc, MSc, or competitive examinations, this book gives you the clarity and confidence you need to master the foundations of electrodynamics. Discover the physics that existed before Maxwell and understand how one idea transformed the world. Electrodynamics Before Maxwell, Physics Made Simple, Concepts Made Clear. Available now.